I was the main organizer of this event. I must tell you who made the event possible is Pick n Pay. They sponsored us. Bulldozer, they've also sponsored us. Lokunjana, both the brand also came through, and as well the municipality also played a part. And my message to everybody who participated in the challenge is I hope that it's talent because that's the whole aim of social marketing, to take things and still make it on a national level. So thank you to everybody who's participated. Some Kondo is active and they've got a lot of talent. Next year we're definitely doing the same thing. This Katsa Corner, Kondo Social Market 2016.
To the ones who are not here, what can you say?
So the ones that were not here, we move out next year, make sure. And another thing is when it became a problem, I'm an artist now, I'm registering his hands. I keep market on Facebook, I keep
particularly PGL.
Hip-hop. The hip-hop artists are busy on time, so thank you to everybody who came through. It's been lovely. We turned up, it was amazing. And it's targeted, targeted exactly where it's been amazing. Another thing in the alcohol level, it being one of the coolest level for that as well. Thank you.